Welcome back to Product Critique,
where today we're diving into the Weber Spirit E-310 liquid propane gas grill, touted as one of the best in its class. If you're in the market for a high-quality propane grill that combines performance with durability, look no further than the Weber Spirit E-310.
let's break down why this grill is a top contender.
First off, it's all about the build. The Weber Spirit E-310 boasts a porcelain enameled lid and cookbox, ensuring it won't rust or peel over time. This means it's built to last, even with regular use. The cooking experience is elevated with porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grates that distribute heat evenly. Whether you're searing steaks or grilling veggies, you can count on consistent results.
Convenience is key with this model.
It features 6 tool hooks for easy access to grilling essentials and a low-maintenance grease management system that simplifies cleanup. Moving this grill around is a breeze, thanks to heavy-duty caster wheels that glide effortlessly over various surfaces, whether it's grass or a patio. Keeping track of your propane level is made simple with a built-in fuel gauge, ensuring you're never caught off guard mid-cookout.
In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your grilling game with a dependable and feature-packed propane grill,
the Weber Spirit E-310 is an excellent choice.
stay tuned for more product insights and reviews here on Product Critique.